It's finally open. What is inside? This belongs to Mom. Does that mean?
Your mom loved this necklace.
Then she must be close. Mom! Where are you? Where are you? Where is Mom? I don't know. Please trust me. I love you more than anything. Love, Mom. Is Mom coming back? I think Mom left us because we are poor? Ta!
Emma believed her mother was gone forever. But the truth was much bigger.
Is this our last food? We will be okay. You eat first. What about you? I'm not hungry.
Good morning, Emma. Good morning, Mrs. Thompson. Everything okay? Yes, we're fine.
Let me help you! I got the apples. Thank you, sweetheart.
These are for both of you.
Thank you so much! Cookies!
Emma did not know it yet. Someone else was quietly watching over them.
Knock! 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 Emma, who is it? Stay behind me. No one is here. Who brought this?
Wait, please. Why didn't you stop?
We have food. Someone is very kind. Another letter? Who keeps helping us? The mystery was only beginning, and Emma was about to discover another surprise. Emma, want another letter? I don't know who keeps doing this. Keep believing. Better days are coming. Do you think Mom wrote this?
Emma, someone paid for your school lunch.
For?
Us? Yes! Everything is already taken care of.
Wait! Please stop!
Oh, hey!
Maybe someone loves us. One day, we will know the truth. The secret helper stayed hidden. It's so cold! Let's hurry home. Wow! Is it for us? I think it is.
Please wait. Keep believing.
This belongs to Mom. Does that mean she's alive? This is Mom's heart charm. She never took it off.
Where did you find this?
Inside a gift box.
I remember this necklace. Your mom loved this necklace.
Then she must be close.
A key? But what does it open? The mystery was getting bigger. The next clue would change Emma's life forever.
It says 12B. Maybe it's a room number.
Room 12B. That's the old storage room.
Mom never told us about it. I'm scared. Stay with me.
Mom saved everything. She never forgot us.
Mom wrote this. She's still thinking about us.
The blue box held a secret that would finally everything.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Thank you, Noah. It's finally open. What is inside? Dear Emma, if you are reading this, you are very brave. I never stopped loving you.
I worked every day. I saved every dollar. Because I wanted you to have a better life. Someone is here! Could it be Mom?
The door was about to open, and Emma's life would never be the same again.
Emma, I'm scared. Stay with me.
Hello, Emma.
Do I know you?
My name is Mr. James. I knew your mother. Your mother asked me to give this to you today.
She planned this?
Yes, a long time ago.
A house?
Your mother bought it for both of you.
Really? Emma!
There is something else your mother wanted you to know.
What is it?
Emma, your mother was very sick.
Sick? Mom was sick?
Mom did not leave because she stopped loving them. She left because she wanted to save their future. Promise me, they will have a safe home.
I promise.
Mom never gave up on us. She was protecting us.
Mom, is that you? The door was opening, and the biggest surprise of Emma's life was waiting on the other side.
Hi, Emma. Mom.
Hi, friends! Please like and subscribe to Emma Easy English for more fun stories. Thank you, friends. Bye!